Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Vertex Math JEE and Olympiads. Okay, so today I am going to introduce my website. This is completely designed for JEE Mathematics and Olympiads. So many of the students, you can see they are not scoring well in JEE Main and Advanced. The reason is they are not strong in the basic mathematics. Okay, and even though if they are good in basics, they are not having the creative mathematics skill. So for that we started the Olympiad channel. Okay, so I have more than decades years experience in the coaching industry. Okay, so I was working corporate company in Akash. Okay, so after that I resigned my job. I started this institution. This is completely one-to-one online coaching right now. So some of the people are feeling that if your online coaching is there, it's not effective. No, my way of teaching is completely one-to-one. If they understand, then only I can go for the next thing. Step-by-step explanations will be there. I will ask the questions. I will get the solutions from the students only. That's why my teaching is unique from others. That's why I produced good results last year. The last year you can see achievement, you can see in the website is available, right? Now I am training many of the students. You can see the results also coming years. Okay, so you can utilize this platform is completely one-to-one online classes. So there is no doubt for the results. The results 100% guarantee. Okay, so what is the website? Completely you can see the home is there. What are the course offered? Testimonial is available. YouTube classes, mathematics, JEE classes available, and Olympiads classes like IOQM, NMTC kind of questions available, and results is here, and questions and answers PDF is available. So you can see admission sections. The contact number is there. Just you can click join now. You can see you can see here all the details, full name, select grade, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, IOQM, NMTC, and AMC, the American Mathematical Contest, 8, 10, 12 also we are providing here. Okay, and CBSE 10th and 12th grade mathematics coaching also we are offering here. And then you can enter your email ID and mobile, right? This is completely online coaching only, but you feel online, this is completely teach like more than the offline classes. Okay, that's why the results is coming, right? Okay, so now you can see the home page. You can go here, click on this, the Vertex. What is the website name? vertexmathjee.com, www.vertexmathjee.com. just you can go to Google and type there, you can access this website. Okay, this is future IITians and Olympians begin their journey here. Understand? I'm not started this one-to-one coaching not this year. The long years before I started, I produced good results. That's why I came out, I started this. I will provide the good educations to the society. Understand? So once you enter this Vertex, you will not leave. 100% I'll tell you, you will not leave, because your student will 100% benefit. You can see within the 1 month or 1 week only, you can see the changes in your kids' mathematics talent. Understand? So my way of teaching is completely, one-to-one, the results-oriented coaching. So I will ask many questions. I will find the solutions through the students only. That's why the results is coming here. Okay, what are the results I achieved last couple of years? I'll show you. First, you can see here. So these are my existing students. Still more student is there, but I took a few of the students only. That time live class was there, no? I took these students only. So it's completely one-to-one online coaching. It's personalized learning path. So you can read all the things. Okay, so you can see about our elite math coaching. You can see why we choose Vertex coaching. Everything is there. You just read out. Okay, now you can see there are two category. One is JEE, one is Olympiads. Once you select JEE, you can see what are the JEE Main Mathematics. Some of the students only focus for NIT. Those students, we are providing JEE Main Mathematics and JEE Advanced Mathematics for IIT and CBSE Mathematics class 10th and 12th. Last year, 3 students joined, 1 student got 100 marks, Centum in Mathematics, and 2 students 97, right? Okay, let's see here. And here the Sadakshi Ray, this girl, when I was in Bangalore, he joined my course for Olympiads. She got the certificate, and then I started teaching JEE Main and Advanced. 3.5 years I taught to her. The 2025, she qualified JEE Main 99.7 percentile, Advanced 4,466. Now she's studying Varanasi IIT. Okay, you can think about here. So many of the students you can see here is available. So when I was in Bangalore, I created the many of the students through Olympiads to advanced level. So my aim is one teacher has to teach basics to advanced level mathematics. So what's the reason? I'll tell you. If you are teaching very high level, how do you know that the student level of the teachers can identify the student level? Suppose the student level is very basics level. I know the basics, so I can teach from basics to advanced level. So we need to connect the ideas. I hope everyone understand. That's why my aim is to teach fundamental to advanced level. I can teach 6th standard student also. I can teach JEE advanced level too. And I am teaching London, A level, ACE level also I'm teaching right now. Okay. So you have to utilize this platform is completely results oriented. There is no doubt. Okay. You can see here. So JEE column you can select. You can see these are my YouTube videos. One-to-one onto function is available. The graph transformation is available. You can see. Okay, the 10 best questions in modulus and greatest integer function and fractional part function is available here. You can see. Then after that, once you click view more YouTube video, you can directly into YouTube channel, right? You can redirect it into YouTube channel, right? Then after that, you can see Sadakshiri, Jukita, Ishikabuin. So many of the students, with the help of my teaching, they qualified actually, right? Okay, you can see one more best thing here is nowhere these kind of things is available actually, right? You can see what are the JEE archive is there, JEE Main. So once you click there, explore archive, JEE Main and JEE Advanced level is there. The first thing, you can find the step-by-step solutions, handwritten solutions is available, JEE Main level. Okay. But if you take one question, so what are the concept is required? I've given the explanation that is also. Okay. And if you click JEE Advanced, handwritten notes also available. And then one more thing is available. What is that? Question papers. So sample question papers are available. So many questions, for example, probability and vector algebra, right? Method of differentiation, like that, many functions and relations. So 5 set of question papers just now I uploaded. Still more things will be available in coming days. I will upload slowly. Within the 1 year, I will try to upload many of the content over here. You can download the that question papers. You can practice, and then you can see the step-by-step handwritten notes also available. That is very useful for you. You can see these are explore archive. You can just click it. It will be redirected into Google Drive. You can free download it, right? Okay. So next you can see JEE over. Next you can see Olympiads. Once you click it, you can see here. So what are the things is there? In Olympiads, you can see, 1 minute. You can click this one. So it is redirected into Olympiad channel, right? Okay. So it is redirected into Olympiad channel. You can see the Abhinav is existing student. I hope everyone understand. Okay. You can see here the primary Olympiads, you can use the 6th to 7th. So once you explore archive is there are primary level Olympiad question is available. You can download it. Primary 1 question is uploaded. You can see that. And you can see junior Olympiads, grade 8 to 10. The question paper is available. This is completely different creative questions. You can utilize this PDF. And senior Olympiads 11th to 12th grade. Okay, you can explore archives and you can download it. And then one more fantastic idea is IOQM past year paper. Step-by-step explanation is there. Some of the students, if you see the online, so many of the questions just you have some idea, and after that how they solve that you do not have any idea. So for that I just connecting the concept with the solutions. Step by step it will be there. Now around 5 question or 4 questions is available. Now I'm going to write coming days. I will explore for you many kind of questions. Past year paper, you can download it. So you can see admission form is available here. So you can see full name you can select, grade you can select it, no, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Suppose your son is very good in mathematics. He want to explore Olympiads. He want to join for IIT. Just you can select 8th standard only. Okay, even though he's studying 6th standard, you can select for 8th standard, we can offer it. This is completely who are not good in mathematics, everyone can join. Suppose if you're not good in mathematics, you want to clear the IIT, JEE and Main, you can join from 8th standard. Or if your kid is very good, talented towards the mathematics, you can join from 6th standard only. Okay, the primary Olympiads, junior Olympiads and senior Olympiads, 3 set of categories available here. Okay, and what are the course offer here? JEE Main, Mathematics, JEE Advanced Mathematics, and IOQM and NMTC, you know. So National Mathematics Talent Contest, you know, it is available there only. Primary, junior, senior Olympiads is available, right? So AMC, American Mathematical Contest, 8, 10, 12, who are interested in the global level, you can contact me for AMC. And then CBSE class 10th and CBSE class 12th. Some of the students are focusing on JEE Main and Advanced from 10th standard. So they are not scoring well in the board level. You know, last year, 1 student secured Centum, 2 students secured 97. Just 6 months training only. So please trust me, you can experience Vertex, you can change some transformation in your mathematics skill. There is no doubt, right? So then after that, so who are interested for board level? Yes, my son or daughter is interested for board mathematics 10th standard or 12th standard. So you want to score Centum in mathematics, you can utilize this platform. Just you can enter your mobile and email ID and any message is required. You can fill it and register now. It is redirected into my WhatsApp. Then I will call you. Otherwise, you can call me to this number, right? Okay, for admissions. This is complete platform, complete design for mathematics who are very passionate towards the mathematics. You can utilize this platform. Who are not passionate, you want to increase your passion towards mathematics, those students also you can utilize this platform, because I'm going to teach you from basics to advanced level. I'm one teacher teaching basics to advanced level, right? Because there is no, jealous, right, to teach from 6th to 12th standard, right? I'm very passionate to teach the students to develop the mathematics skill. Who are experienced in my teaching, they are now well settled. They are studying in IIT, NIT, and many of they are studying in good colleges. Okay, so please utilize this platform. Is 100% results oriented. Within 1 week, you can see the transformation. You know, the day before yesterday, one parent came actually there through YouTube video. He watched my video. He observed my classes. That's why he searched many of the in online platform. The experience, they are not getting satisfied, right? So they came to me. They got the admissions. Why I'm telling this? Once 2 days class only is attended, he feel that how you can see, imagine, they felt like anything. Understand? We came here is the right place to improve my son or daughter mathematics skill. Still, some of the students are studying in government school and private school. Please utilize this platform to you can improve your mathematics skill. Don't wait for 10th, 12th. You have to start from 8th standard. If your kid is very good or talented in mathematics, start from 6th standard. Okay, I train them very regressively towards the mathematics idea. Okay, you can see my testimonial and everything, and the Olympiads existing students testimonial also available. Please visit my website and utilize the PDF, and completely free of cost only. And who are approached for admissions, you can contact me, right? So everything is available in the website. Once again, I'll tell you the Vertex Math JEE.com. So www.vertexmathjee.com. Once you visit this website, you can access many things. So this is the right platform for your kids. Okay, I hope everyone understand. So if you are interested, you join this course, completely one-to-one online courses. You don't feel it is online. It is completely secured and results-oriented coaching. Once you join one demo class, you can feel something different, which is unique from other coachings. I hope everyone understand. Okay, so thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. So you can watch my channel, Math JEE and Olympiad channel, for continuous progress. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe my channel and like it without any second thought. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, your support. Thank you.